Hello guys, we are team 999 and our project name is Plantaria. Basically the problem is plants and trees play a crucial role in our life. Deforestation has majorly contributed to global warming. The government takes initiatives to plant trees for addressing environmental issues. One of the initiatives is campaigns where they distribute seeds and saplings to volunteers or officials for planting. Human beings, being human, many times don't plant them. Solution: the Plantaria application tackles these issues and assures that every plant is planted. Through this app, government can initiate campaign and allot number of plants to volunteers. These saplings are assigned unique QR code consisting location coordinates of places where these saplings should be planted. Volunteer will scan QR code after reaching location. App traces user current location and inspect his location with location coordinates in plants. Then app will increment count of saplings successfully planted. With this, we can assure that plants are planted and save our planet together. So now I'm going to show you the demonstration how this is going to be done. We can log in as a government and we can see the campaigns list here. We can even create one more campaign where we can write the campaign name, the number of saplings you are targeting and the deadline for the same. And once done, it will appear on this page. Next, from the volunteers end, they can open this page and they can see the campaigns they are being volunteering, and we can see the targeted saplings, saplings planted, and the volunteers assigned for the same. And once the volunteer reaches the location with the saplings where they are supposed to be planted, he can press the scan button and scan the QR code which goes like this. So it checks, it traces the user current location and also fetches the coordinates which are encoded in the QR code. So if the distance is less, which means the user volunteer has reached that location to plant the trees. So this ensures that the volunteers are actually planting the trees and not throwing them anywhere. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.